So MiniMax M3 is out and it's available in some of the agentic coding plans. So I checked on official site and noticed the benchmarks that they have posted some decent numbers against other agentic coding options. Like, let's see, it's doing pretty decent against Anthropic on many places. Right now, to test this, you have multiple options. Currently you can use this through paid plan of command code, and you have option from, let's say I want to check out the documentations, and within documentation you will notice that MiniMax is up here. So you would be able to use MiniMax up to 2x usage, and you can even use your $1 plan from command code for this. Now this is for paid plan offering something free. If you have Opencode, you can simply type in Opencode within your project directory and open that. One more option I can take a look at. Here you can see in Opencode, simply use slash in models, and here you see in Opencode said you have Mimo, which is free, MiniMax M3 free. You can set this up, right, and we will come back to it for a prompt. Right now, another option we will take a look at where it is free. So open router is where I usually look for, and here you can see, let's see if it is offering it for free or any low cost. So if I scroll down, I want to check the costings, and here you can see currently it's definitely not for free on open router, but we can take a look at their other models, and here you can see at the bottom you would find link to other models, right, M3, and it is 50% off, but it's not free. So they will come back to the free part when they want to train for new data. Usually that's how they are improving so far. So it's not free on open router, but Opencode has it free, you can use it right now. And another option is to checking it out on Klein extension, which should be possible with your VS Code. So just set up Klein extension in VS Code and you are good to try. Right now I can show you the performance of MiniMax M3. So I am inside one of the project where you can see I need a code review, right, and I want to find out the pending tasks. So I will go through and say create a code review of the current project, and also check out the pending tasks in say task.md file, right, and see which more features require addition or fixing, right, and we will pass this up and we will see how it performs. I know this is going to be busy and we are likely to hit limits as well if Opencode is getting a lot of hits, considering it's just few hours that it has released the model. So most likely we'll be seeing a lot of denial or maybe rejection sort of requests, but yeah, so far it is working good enough. It is doing the code review by going through the files. Now once you get the output, so for example here you can see I have to say save this code review as file, let's say June review.html with decent styling, and let's say we have to also explain whether it should implement any changes that it has seen. So it has also given priority, so based on that we can decide high, low, critical. So you can see it can fix something critical if it is there, right? So fix the critical and update task.md, and also the code review part, so you don't repeat what you have fixed, right? So this has burned like already 20% of our quota, right? So we'll see how much we have left after this task. Now I have to wait till this process completes, so I will update once this is shown. So now you can see it is in process to writing the file, and I would be able to see the code review in HTML. So we'll wait till that part, and once I show you the code review, you are free to judge how it works. Now you see this is the review file, and here you can see it has explained me what are the critical issues currently. Some of them are closed, some of them are yet to finish, right? Apart from that, you can see some status update from task md, which is also listed here. So something is still open from the May month is updated in the list here. Priority is also set, medium, high, and then recommended sprint plans. So what should we do at the time of publishing this on Play Store, right? Pretty much a decent plan, and overall I would say a good overall code review file. You can obviously make this into white or dark mode, it all depends on your prompt. I didn't specify anything, so it came up with the dark mode. So that being said, you can see MiniMax seems to be a decent model, continues to do from M2.7. Now 3 is still better as the output is much faster as well.